Guys, I will practice the JavaScript. Arvind?
Yes, I did, Shashi.
Okay, great, Arvind. Any doubts, Arvind? Sandeep?
So I don't have, so I have little bit doubts on the set interval, and so for set timeout, we'll give some timeout, right? Like 2000 seconds or whatever it is, like 1000 seconds or 90 seconds,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So difference between set timeout and set interval is like interval means it will form iteration, right?
Yeah, it will form iteration for every delay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, for a timeout,
Only
like we
one
are
time.
giving,
Yeah,
yeah,
only one time after the delay. That's it.
okay, after the delay. So maybe we can use this for one-time password, right? Sometime we'll set some time after 2 minutes, you will be
Yes, yes,
getting
sure,
another.
sure, sure.
Okay, got you. So we have to like use in real time so that we can
Yeah,
understand
yeah.
the
Once you
process.
started with the real time, then you will get to know where to use the concept, where to use this concept like that. Okay.
Okay, okay,
You
got it.
as of now, you have to learn the concept properly.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
If I
yeah.
ask regarding what are the array methods, then you have to be able to tell all the array methods, and you have to give some examples. Okay. As of now,
Mhm.
for today, you should be aware of. You should be able to tell about the concepts. But in upcoming days, when you once you start with the real time, you will get to know where to use that concept.
Okay, got you.
Okay, you are using with the filter method, right? Then
Yeah,
you know filter method, but where to use that filter method, you don't know. In
yes,
which
yes,
scenario? Okay, once you
yeah,
started with the real time, you will get to know.
yes,
Okay,
sure.
guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's start with the React JS. Introduction to React JS. Let's see what is React JS. Okay, React is a front-end JavaScript library. Okay, it is a library. Okay, developed by Facebook in 2011. Okay, in Facebook, it was used for news feed feature. It follows the component-based approach. Okay, the React is going to follow the component-based approach. I will tell in the next slide what is component-based approach. Okay, which helps to building reusable UI components. Okay, then it used for developing complex and interactive web and mobile UI. Even though it was open source only in the 2015, it has the only it is one of the largest communities supporting it. Got it? So let's see what is component based approach. What is the meaning of component based approach? React is a component based approach. So component based. So here, see here, in our application, there will be a header, there will be a side nav, there will be a main content, and the footer. Okay, this each or the each we call it as components. So this header is a component, and footer is a component, side nav is a component, and main content is also a component. Okay, example. Example. See here, there will be a one about. First, there will be a home page in your application. Next, your about page. Okay. Next, services. Just it's an example. Okay. Then contact us. This is a small example. Try to understand. But in all this example, you have to use the header and footer, right? In all these pages, in all these web pages, okay, you have to use the header and footer. Okay, instead of using, okay, every time, instead of creating every time the header, we are going to make one component as a header and one component as footer. Got it? So just calling this header in the same header in the home page, same header in the about us page and service page and contact us page. Okay, by implementing like this, by making the header as a reusable. Okay, this will make the application more fast. Okay, this is the beauty of React.js. Okay, we are making the header and footer as a reusable components instead of creating this header and footer in all these pages. Okay, we are creating one component and we are calling in all the pages. Just we are calling that component. That's it. We are not creating the component. We are calling that component. That's it. Got it? Got small idea? Do you got small idea, guys?
Yes.
Understood.
Yeah, scenario where we have to use this. What is this component? Okay, just I will tell how to create later. First, try to understand where. Okay, just try to understand the meaning of components. That's it. We are making the header as a reusable every time. That's it. We are not creating the component. Just we are using that created component. That's it. Got it? Okay, great. Next, the slice likewise the side nav component is also same. Okay, main content, everything. These we called as components, but header and footer is we can make that as a reusable components. Okay, we can use this component as a reusable. We can call it many times. Okay, so next, history of the React.js. Current version of React.js is 18.2.0. Initial release of the public. Okay, this is the initial release for the public in the July 2013. Okay, next, React.js was first used in the 2011 for newsfeed, Facebook newsfeed feature. The Facebook software engineer Jordan Walke created it. Okay, please go through the slide. Okay, no problem. Okay, next move to the why React is used. Easy to learn nature, reusable components. Okay, can be used for mobile applications. Next, increasing performance, increased performance, and dedicated tools for easy debugging. So it can be conveniently used on the client as well as server side. So because of JSX, don't worry, what is this JSX? JSX, I will explain. Okay, because of JSX, so code's readability increases. Using React, writing UI test cases become extremely easy. Okay, what is this test cases? I think you know about test cases in manual or automation, right? To test the application, they are going to write the test cases. Do you have any idea regarding test cases, guys?
Yes.
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 Okay, the same the way we are going to write the test cases in front end also. Okay, to test some scenarios by using Gesture, Enzyme, or Cypress test cases. Okay, any one of the language we are going to use to write the test cases in front end. Okay, that is easy. Okay, great. So let's check with JSX. What is this JSX? So JSX, okay, JavaScript XML. Okay, JSX stands for JavaScript XML. Okay, JSX makes it easier to write and add HTML in React. Okay, so it's a combination of JavaScript and HTML. So you know this is a JavaScript const element. Okay, some variable we declared with const. Okay, this is a JavaScript, and you know this is a HTML H1 tag. Okay, the combination of JavaScript and HTML is called as JSX. That's it. Okay, this is easy to read, right? Const element equals to H1 tag. We are assigning the HTML to a JavaScript. This we call as JSX. Okay, next. The environmental setup for React application. Okay, the second method is the easiest method and we are following the second method. So please try. Please open your laptops and try, guys. Parallelly try. Okay. So what I will do, I will go for, so here in the desktop I'll get no problem. This is HTML. So how to create? Please check. Please follow, guys. Please follow. I will create one folder. In this folder, I'm going to create the command prompt. In the command prompt, what I will do, npx. Guys, before creating this, you have to install some dependencies. Okay, so please check. Sorry, I already installed. Please follow this. Before, you have to create, download and install Node.js. Okay, so installed the Node.js in your laptop is a Windows installer. LTS, you have to go for LTS, Windows installer or Mac installer. Everything will be fine. Okay. Are you following, guys?
Yes.
Okay, please follow the steps, guys. Once you're done, please let me know. Please install the Windows installer. Vikram, are you following?
Yes, I'm downloading the file.
Yeah, please. I already installed. Okay. It has easy steps. Give next. That's it.
So Shashi, we have to create a folder after HTML.
Yeah, first install this Windows, this Node.js applications. Arvind, I will tell you the folders later.
I already downloaded the Node.js.
Okay. Please wait for others. Okay.
Yeah.
Done. Sandeep, Vikram, Islam, Nitej.
Not it.
Yeah, done, Shashi.
Yeah, done.
Okay. Great. Once you're done. Okay. Now open your command prompt and check. I will go from how to check whether it's installed or not. Okay. Please open the command prompt in your command prompt. Okay. Next. Node -v. Please check the version. It's installed. So then you have to check for npm also. npm -v. It's a dependency. Okay. Once you install Node.js, you will get npm also. Okay, so this was installed. Node and npm is successfully installed. Okay, now close this command prompt. Go to the folder structure. Create one folder as React app. Okay, in this folder, okay, in this React app folder, I'm creating some projects. Okay, how to create? Open the command prompt. Create React app. So in this React app, what I will do, I will open command prompt, code space. Sorry, command prompt. Now I have to create. Please check the steps. npx.
What you have done for that
Follow.
to open the common prompt?
Yeah. You created up to here.
Yes.
Okay. Click on the address bar and click CMD.
Okay.
And enter.
And enter. Got it.
This will work in Windows. I don't know about Mac. Okay. Code space. Sorry. Yeah. Check for npx create React app my app. Okay. This is the project name. My app is a project name, and this is the command to create the React app. Okay. So check npx create React app. Okay, please follow the same case. Please follow this small letters only. Okay, next project name. Okay, my app is the project name. This is the project name. In the future, you can give your project name, but as of now, please follow my steps. Okay, enter. This will take some time. Please wait.
It's asking me to download some packages.
Sorry.
It's asking me to install some packages.
You installed Node and npm, right?
Yes, I have installed.
Have you checked? Have you cross checked?
Yes, I have already. I cross-checked in CMD.
Okay. Then what is the error, the warning message you are getting?
Need to install the following packages. Um, create React apps at 5.0.1.
Give us why.
Yes. Okay to proceed.
Yes.
Why?
It's working.
You want me to enter why?
Yes. Enter the why.
Mhm. Done. Okay, it's saying creating a new React app.
Okay. Same as me. So check my window. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Same.
Okay. Good. This will take some time. Okay. Please wait. Please follow steps, guys. This is the most important steps. So please follow.
Here we are continuing with Node.js, or we'll be using Visual Studio also.
We are
It's very-
continuing with VS Code. Okay. But the
Okay.
dependency software is Node.js for React also.
Yeah. I just joined, just like checking.
Okay, great. No problem.
I completed my installation.
Okay. Then create one folder. In that, give a command like this: npx create React app.
Yeah, I completed that.
Yeah, it's done. Okay, then up to this are done. You're getting
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, then wait for others. All done? Guys, done?
Yeah, done. Yes.
Okay, okay, great. Okay. Next, here, cd my app means change directory. As per now, we are in the React app, right? See here. We are in the React app, but the folder, okay, the project is created as my app. Okay, this is a project. We have to enter to the project, right? So give change directory my app, the project name. Now see the control, it's enter to my app. Done. Next, code space dot to open the VS Code. You already know this. Enter.
Hello?
Yes. May I audible?
So after this, after the downloading, what we should do?
After downloading,
Yeah, CD space my app, right?
okay.
Can you
Give this comment to create the React application. This is the comment to create the application.
Okay.
Okay. Here, my app application is opened in VS Code. Got it? Up to this, got it. Steps are done.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah. Okay. These are the this is a folder structure. Okay. I will explain folder structure. So how to start this front-end server? Go to the terminal. Okay. Go to the new terminal. npm start. This is the command to start the front-end server. This will take some time, please. See, this is the application loaded. This is the React application. Up to now, anyone having any
Can you
doubt
please,
or any problem?
can you please repeat the run process?
Okay. Open the terminal.
Mhm.
Okay, new terminal.
Mm-hmm.
Then click, give a command npm start and enter. That's it.
npm
Start. Done? Okay. Yes.
it redirected me to a Google Chrome,
Yeah, yes.
and then
Yeah, this one will be loaded,
okay,
right?
yes,
Okay. Now the application is started. Okay.
okay.
That's it.
Want me to open VS Code again?
Yeah, open. Yes. It should be in open mode only.
Yes, yeah. got it.
Okay, great. Now see, this is the folder structure. Okay. So this is the once you created with the React.js, okay, this will be auto-generated files. Okay. So here, see here, if for all React application, all project, there will be one HTML file. Yes. Any doubts? Okay, great. So for the whole project, there will be one HTML file that will be in the public. This is the HTML file. Okay, see here, div. Okay, one div will be there for that ID root. Okay, for the div there will be a ID root and div. Okay, see here, please check. There will be one head and the body same as HTML folder, same HTML structure. Okay, in the head we are having this, you know about links, all these things, right? So same the way we having title, see, React app, it's displaying here the same way. Okay, now there will be a body. Okay, in the body we are having one div. In that I give an ID as root. Okay, this is the beginning point. Okay, we are starting from index.html. Got it? For this index.html, you will be having one index.js file that is in. Okay, this is in the src folder. See, check the root document.getElement by ID root. I'm getting that ID as a root, and we are passing here, we are rendering this point. Okay, don't worry about this. Just see. The root is that index.html is linked to index.js. This is the second point. Okay, so here we are having one component, app component. Okay, this app component. Okay, this is coming from import app from app.app.js. See, this is the, if you want to make any alterations, okay, modifications, okay, from in the app.js, you are going to make the modifications. See here, header class name, the image as src logo, p edit src something you are getting, right? Save to reload. The same thing you are loading in the browser. Here, this is the logo image, this is the edit src/app.js and save to reload. Got it? Learn React. The same UI you are getting here. Okay, what you are displaying in app.js, na, the same thing you are getting, you are displaying in browser. Got it? Up to now, any doubts? The app.css. Okay, this is the CSS file. Okay, app.js is a script file. You are going to write all the code from here. First root file, the beginning is HTML, index.html. For index.html, this is the JavaScript file index.js, and index.js is linked to app.js and app.css. Up to now, it's got it. Don't worry about this. The app.test.js, don't worry. Logo.svg, don't worry. Report, no need. Okay. The setup test.js, don't worry. Okay. Now check with packet.js, JSON. Okay. What is this packet.json? Okay. These are the dependencies. Okay. These are the dependencies are installed. So here React is installed with 18.2.0. React DOM is installed with 18.2.0. If you installed any dependencies, that will be installed in this packet.json. Okay, it's going to show in packet.json, and this dependence will be installed in node modules. Okay, all the dependence will be installed in node modules. Okay, it will show, okay, which version you installed it. Okay, it will be displayed, it will be shown in packet.json file. Up to now, any doubts? Okay, go to the app.js and remove the header, the what we written, right? Completely remove this class name app and give welcome to React.js. See, welcome to React.js. The content I given in app.js, it's directly loading in browser. Got it? Any doubts? Are you following? Guys, are you following?
Yeah.
Arvind? Have you understood with folder structure?
Yes.
Can I move forward? Can I move?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
So next, after this, we are having one concept as components. Okay, components. What is this? Component describes a part of the user interface. Okay, the same components what we learned before, right? The same thing. They are reusable and can be nested inside another components. Okay, it can be nested. Okay, one component can be nested into another component. Okay, as of now, you should be aware this app is also a component, one component. Okay, so see here, by seeing this, you will get a better idea regarding the structure. See here, there will be two types of components, that is the stateful class component and stateless functional components. Okay, so what is this? See here, you will be having getter, the nav, side nav, main content, and the router. Okay, all this will be, all the components will be wrapped in one root component, that is the app component. Got it? All these components will be wrapped with one root app component. That is a file what we are having, app.js. This is the parent component in all the file. Okay, header, the navigation bus, everything we have to write in app component only. Got it? You got better idea? Got better idea? Yes or no? Please interact.
Yes.
You guys. Okay. So next, we have two types, right? The stateful class component and stateless functional component. What is this? Okay, class components. Okay, so before 16.8 version of React, we are using class components. Okay, after 16.8, we are using with functional components. Okay, so please check what is this functional components. The simplest way to define a component is to write a JavaScript function. Okay, normal way. How you write in JavaScript, right? The same the way the functional component will be also look like. So after the introduction of React hooks, okay, I will explain what is React hooks in the next class. Okay, writing functional components has become a standard way of writing React components in modern applications. Okay, so we are going with React functional components. Okay, React hooks were introduced in 16.8. Okay, from the 16.8 version, we are going with functional components. We are ignoring the class component. Okay, because this is very easy. Simplest way to define a components. So they allow you to use the state without writing a class component. Okay, so from today, we are going to learn the functional components. We are ignoring the class components. Okay, the functional component is normal JavaScript function. You are going to send some properties and you will get the HTML JSX. Okay, I will explain this through the code only, don't worry. Okay, next, functional component versus class components. Yes, this functional component will look like same as JavaScript function, welcome. The same structure is looking like the JavaScript function, but see here, class components more complex. The both having same output, but see here, the class component, we having class, welcome, extends, reacts. We have to extend from the React component and the using this keyword, everything. Okay, the structure will be different, but the using class component, functional components is very easy. It's same as JavaScript. Okay, so from the 16.8 version, we are using with functional components. So we also follow the functional components. Next concept is props. What is this props? Props are arguments passed into React components. Okay, so let's check with the props first. Come to the VS Code. In the SRC, create one component, one folder as components. Okay, in this component, I will create one greet component. I will otherwise, for better understand, I'm making as header.jsx. Extension should be JSX. Got it? Any doubts? We are creating a one header component. So for the header component, so RFC, you are getting this thing, you are getting these extensions. Let me check. Let me know, guys. Are you getting this extension RFCE? Yes or no?
You created folder components.
Yeah,
Under the components, you put header.jsx, right?
Header.jsx.
Okay.
This is a component, okay? That's it. That we called as components.
Not getting.
Okay, great. Okay, so to get that extension, you have to install some dependencies. You have to install some different dependencies.
We got the folder code first,
Sorry. Go to the extensions, install this dependencies. This search here. ES7. Okay, like that. If you get, you will get this.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now, are you getting this extension? Check.
Yes.
Now you are getting right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, great. So select
Actually, what is that? Yes, sir.
ES7. This is the extension. See here, check here. Simple extension for React, Redux, and graphical, so GraphQL in JS or TS with ES7 syntax. Okay, so you will get some syntax. Okay, got it? Okay, see here. So after check after entering RFCE, okay, control space, you will get this. Okay, select for first one, you will get this syntax. This is the syntax. Instead of typing these lines, you will get easier. Got it? Up to now, got it?
Yes.
How
Okay.
you said, sorry?
Sorry?
You said something like instead of using this, you'll get syntax.
RFCE. Shortcut to
RFC.
get a syntax.
Okay, RFC. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now, you got this one right. Now, yes or no? So this is the normal JavaScript function, guys. This is a normal JavaScript function. Okay, no need to worry much. Okay, just you are importing the React from React. Okay, you are importing the React. Then you are, after creating this, you are exporting the this header. Okay, this header you are exporting. That's it. We can utilize this header. If you export from here, then you can utilize this header anywhere. I will tell you. Got this much? Okay. Now just I will write one text as some text as header. Welcome to header. Okay, there will be one parent component. Okay, so I will write this in H1 tag only, that will be better. All the elements, okay, all the elements should be wrapped by one single element, that is div. Okay, div. One parent element will return this, all this other element, child elements. Okay, got it? Now I given some content, so I'm calling this header in my app.js. So how can I call? See here, open, just call, make this as headers. Header. Okay, so if you're not getting this extensions, okay, you're not getting the suggestions, then click control space. That's it. Next, select this header. This header component is importing from components header. Okay, so close this. This we call it as, instead of, okay, in the Java, in the React.js, you are closing like this, right? You are closing like this. Instead of closing like this, you can close here itself. This is the self-closing tag. This we call it as self-closing tag. Please check the output. See, welcome to header. The whatever the content you given, okay, whatever the content you given in header.js, okay, as of now I give one child, h1. So see, welcome to React.js is displaying. Okay, this will be displayed. I given in app.js file. I'm calling the header component. Okay, because of this this header component is loading here in the browser, you will get the difference. Up to now, it's clear. Guys, up to now, any doubts?
Could you please repeat where you have entered the header from previous?
Here, I created in the SRC, I created components file folder, component folder. In that folder, I created the header.jsx file. Okay, now I given here RFC. RFCE, this is the command, and enter. That's it. So you will get this extension, and I wrote some text. Okay, some tags or elements in header. So I'm importing. Okay, here I'm exporting the header component. Okay, so the same thing I'm importing, the same header component I'm importing in app.js. That's it. Here I'm importing the header component from this path. This is the path, right? The component / header. Up to now, it's done. Arvind, Sandeep, Vikram.
Do we have to import it manually? The header from component dot
No
component
need to
slash
import
header.
manually, right? If you click on this and see, you're getting the suggestions, right? Control space. After this, control space here. If I will delete this, after this, I will make control space. You will get a suggestion from where to import. Okay. This is the easiest way to import. Otherwise, you can import manually also. This is the easiest way to import the
I'm not
component.
getting the suggestion.
You're not getting the suggestions?
No.
Then import manually. That's it. Others getting suggestions? Okay, import manually. Same. If you created the same structure, then import the same as it is. See. Import header from. Okay. If you have any doubts with this dot, why I given this dot and everything, I will explain now. See. Okay. Dot slash. Okay. I'm in this folder. See. I'm here. Okay. In the app.js. I'm in app.js. I need to go for components in the components header, right? So what I will do, dot slash, one step. Okay. Otherwise, here, if I do double dot slash, it will go to git node modules. Okay. 2 steps back. Okay. Try to understand with it single dot and double dot. Okay. Then it's easy to import. That's it. Try to understand with the directory how to go back. Got it? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Actually, I'm stuck.
Sorry?
Actually, I was unable to do the import. Could you please do it again for me, if you don't mind?
Import, huh?
Yeah, like actually, I tried to do it typing the header and typing a control space bar.
Have you exported in the first? You have to export in header. This done?
Yeah, yeah, we have. Yeah, I have done it.
Okay, great. Next, See,
Choose
header.
one.
Type the component name. Okay. Control space. You will get a suggestion to import. See, it's imported. See, I will remove this. See here, control space. You will get a suggestions, right?
Yes.
Enter. Slash, you will go close this header.
Okay. Okay.
Done.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, these are the important steps. Okay, so I'm explaining slowly. Okay, try to understand. Now see here, this is a component I created. Header is a component. I said that. Sorry, any doubts? Okay, no problem. Okay, great. I said that here components. Component describes a part of the user interface. Okay, they are reusable. Okay, so what is the meaning of reusable? I created one component as header. I need to reuse this component. So just I'm calling this. Okay, I created one component. I'm calling this component thrice. Just by calling this component thrice, here you are getting 3 outputs. It was calling thrice. Got it?
Actually, I'm not able to get the output in browser. I'm only getting the homepage of React.
Sorry. What's the error or what you are getting, Sandeep?
It's showing only learn React. I'm not getting the header output, which we have
Save
entered.
once, refresh. See, check the server is running.
Yes, the server is running. Do I have to save it or?
Save. Okay, do one thing. Go here. Save all the files. Okay. Refresh the browser.
Or saying uncut runtime errors.
Sorry.
Saying uncut runtime errors.
Runtime errors you are getting.
Yes.
Do you follow the steps what I did?
Yes.
Just check once. Okay, cross check once. What you are getting.
Mhm.
Stop the server. Okay, just kill the server. Kill terminal. See my window. Just kill the server and run once again npm start.
Okay. Which-
Try with these steps. Okay. Okay, great. Others, please follow. See here what I'm saying. I'm creating I'm calling this component multiple times. Okay, by this we can make the reusable components. Got it? You got the meaning of reusable components? Do you got?
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Understood.
Okay, great. Next, we are discussing about the props, right? You know how to create the component, how to call the component, and how to make the component as reusable. Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then, what is the use of making the reusable components? Check. So, I'm sending one property as name. Okay, I'm sending one property or prop. We can call it as prop. Okay, so in this pattern, you have to send. This is the syntax to send the props. Okay, so what I will do here, this is the pattern, right? So I will write, first of all, name is a string. So I'm sending in a double quotes as Aravind. Okay, I will send this one property. Okay, as of now, I will delete it. Okay, so I will send one property as name. Okay, value is Arvind. So once I send we can call this property as props. Okay, we can call this property as props. So here in the header.js, what I will do, I will receive this props. Okay, I will receive that props. Okay, so you can check. You can check by adding debuggers. Okay, I will add a debugger. So I will load. So open the inspect. So refresh. Okay, refresh. The control will be stopped to the debugger line number 4. So over on this prop, you are getting in a object structure. You are getting that property as in a object structure name Arvind. Got it? So how can we access this object? So how can we access this object? So when you are accessing, if you want to print any variables, okay, you have to use the curly braces in React.js. So props is an object dot name is a property. So chuck, refresh. See, Arvind, welcome to header. I'm printing property, what I'm sending. Got it? This is the way to send the props. Any doubts in this? Guys, are you there? Are you following the steps? Yes or no? Arvind?
Could you please show how to check my server is running or not?
You will get successful message, right? Server is started. What the message you are getting?
Now I'm getting this site can't be reached.
Site can't be reached in the browser, right?
Yes.
Okay, then start the server. Here, compiled successfully, you will get this message. Here, compiled successfully. After giving npm start, you will get a compiled successfully message. That's it. Don't worry, Sandeep. Okay, we can check this after this class.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I will explain once again. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, please check with the concepts. Okay, note down somewhere. Okay, how to send props. Others, do you have any doubts in props? Arvind Reddy, are you there? Nitesh,
You have to send in headers.
yeah. How to send? Please check here. See here. In the headers, we have to send name equals to Arvind, one some property.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sending some property as name. The value is Arvind. I'm receiving this. Okay, I need to receive this property in header in the same way. Okay, how I received now. This props will be received in object structure. You will receive in object format. So you have to access as props.name. That's it. Next, as of now, you send the string, right? Now I will send age equals to. Okay, whenever I'm sending the number, okay, we have to send by curly braces. Okay, so here I will send this as 26. Okay. So what I will do in the header component, I will receive. Okay. So please check what you are getting. So please load. See here in the props, you are getting age 26 and name Arvind, the both the property in object structure. Got it? So how to access the age? So props dot age. That's it. See, Arvind 26. You are getting. Are you following? Okay. Got it? Any doubts? Up to now, any doubts? Guys, props is the
No
most
doubts.
important concept. Sorry?
No doubts. Can you show me like app.js one?
Okay, one second. I will do it. We can partition, okay, VS Code. We can partition the VS codes here. In the left, we are having app.js. In the right, we are having header.js. Please look into this. Please follow the steps. It's the most important thing. It's a simple concept.
So you're showing like with app.js, we are giving input, and with header.js, JSX, we are
Displaying that
receiving,
input. That's it.
we are retrieving it. Okay.
Okay, that's it. This is the input. Okay, we are displaying this input here. That's it. But we are getting this input in a object structure. You should be remember of that. You should be know about that. Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Others. Arvind.
Yeah.
I think Arvind is not there. Are you there, Arvind?
Yes.
Done?
So I have some doubts. I can discuss with you later.
Yeah, now or later.
Later. So you're going with concepts, right?
Yes.
Yeah. After that, I'll discuss.
Okay, great. Okay. Fine. Next. See. See here. Done with. In the prop, we are having one advantage. What is that? Okay. So in this component, I'm sending these properties. Okay, name and age. The value will be Arvind and 26. I will make this as a reusable component. I will make this reusable component. I will send the name as Shashi, age as 26. Okay, now check. See here, the single property. Okay, the component is header. Okay, we are sending the values, the different values. Okay, different values. Got it? We can. This is the beauty of props. Okay, got it. By in the reusable component, we can send other values. Any doubts? Any doubts?
As of now, no.
Sorry, your voice is echoing.
As of now, I don't have any doubts.
Okay, can I move forward?
Yes.
Okay, next. Props destructuring. You know destructuring concepts in ES6. JavaScript destructuring. Who know the concept? JavaScript destructuring. Okay, please revise the JavaScript destructuring. Okay,
Key
in the
value.
same, sorry,
Key value pair.
JavaScript destructuring, not key value pair. Okay, so I will explain once again. See here. So please revise the JavaScript destructuring ECMAScript properties. Okay, EL6 features. See, so I'm getting this object. So I will destructure this object. Okay. So here I will make const. I will destructure this prop as name, comma, age equals to props. Okay. Instead of writing props.name every time, we can write directly as name. Instead of writing props.age, we can make it as age. See, check whether you're getting same output or not. Same output. Got it? Okay, this is the JavaScript destructuring. Please revise the JavaScript or ECMAScript. Okay, or ECMA ES6. It's a ES6 feature. ES6 feature destructuring. Destructuring. Please go through this destructuring. Okay, it's a JavaScript destructuring. So please revise. Okay, you will get better idea. So this is the I'm destructuring. I'm destructuring the props. This object is we are getting in an object format. So I'm destructuring, and we are printing this name and age. This is the one way of destructuring in React. Okay, now. Okay, now instead of writing, if you want to avoid this line also, then when you are receiving, okay, when you are receiving these props, okay, you can destructure directly. You can destructure directly and you can avoid this line also. See, check, same output. Same output. Got it? I completely explained this example in PDF. Here, we are sending a props and we are destructuring. This is the first way of destructuring, and this is the second example, second way of destructuring. Please go through this. Please try this example, guys. Most important concepts. Props and destructuring the props is most important. Are you trying?
Yes.
Done? Okay. Next. Event handling. What is this event handling? Sure. So, next concept is event handling. As of now, I'm not sending any props to the header component. Okay, I will remove all these things. Okay, so what I will do, I will write one button in header component. So here I will make this as click here. Okay, So check the URL. Okay, why you are getting multiple? Okay. See, you are getting a one button. You are getting a button. So on my intention, okay, my intention is on clicking of this button, I have to show some alert. Okay, on clicking of this button, I have to show some button. So I have to show some alert. So how can I achieve that? So on click, this is the event handler. Okay, this we call it as event handler. So on click, so I'm calling the function handle click. Handle click is the function. Okay, so on click of this function, so writing ES6 arrow function, that's it. This is the ES6 arrow function. Got it? So this is the syntax of ES6 arrow function. Okay, so this is the way of calling this function. That's it. On clicking of the function and this button, on clicking of the button, I'm calling this function. So here I have to call one alert like I. Okay, so check. On clicking of this, you are getting the alert I. Got it? Any doubts? Any doubts in this?
No.
No.
Okay, great. Next, another way, okay, if example, there is no arguments, okay, there is no parameters, okay, in this function. So I'm calling like in this way. So if I have any parameters, okay, if I having any parameters, check how to call the event handler. So button, having button, click. Okay, so on click equals to, okay, so open the curly braces, write one arrow function, handle click. So here I'm sending a arguments. Okay, the way of receiving arguments is same. So 1 A comma B. So what I will do in the console.log, I will A comma B. I will print A comma B. Got it? So here on click, I'm calling arrow function. In the arrow function, I'm calling handle click. Okay. So here I'm passing the arguments as 1 comma 2. If you have any arguments, you have to call in this way. If you are not having any arguments, then you can call directly in this way. Got it? So check the console. On clicking of this, you are getting 1 comma 2. Got it? Any doubts? Guys, any doubts?
No.
Okay. Please try for this example. I will give 2 minutes. I will give 2 minutes. Please try with both the example. I will give 5 minutes. Check with all the React concepts. Okay. Let me know if you have any doubts. I will back in 5 minutes. Guys, done? Any doubts? Vikram? Arvind?
No trying.
Okay, Vikram, great. Okay, from tomorrow class, we can start with the React hooks. Okay. If anyone having any doubts up to now, please stay in a call and remaining can leave. Thank you.